Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be making a sailing turtle craft. It sails up and down like this in a boat on water. Pick a large rectangular sheet of paper to make the boat first. So we fold from up to down first into two equal halves to make the boat. Fold from right to left into two equal halves to get the middle of the paper. Then fold two equal triangles from the right and then the left to meet at the center. Like that. Fold up the upper part and then flip over to fold up the underside in that form. Turn it over, tuck in the edges on the right and on the left, pick it up, open up what we've got and press down together in that form. Fold up the lower end, flip over, fold up the underside as well. Okay, open up, fold up again the upper part, and then the last fold of the underside. Then we open up and then open finally up to form the boats. Okay. Place it aside somewhere there. So we'll be picking colored pieces of paper and getting pieces we have on the turtle. We'll cut out the head, the scales on the turtle, the body of the turtle, and then the leg and the tail of the turtle. So I start with the body of the turtle. We'll be cutting out, drawing and cutting out the head of the turtle and then the pattern we have on the body of the turtle on the shell. Draw and cut out 3 patterns and then the tail. Once all the cut out pieces are ready, we'll glue them together in this form to make the turtle. Fix the flag to the stand, apply some glue, design the flag, then stick it to the stand. Place the flag aside and fix the eye on the turtle. Design the mouth and the nose. Then fix the leg. Once the whole turtle is ready, fix it onto the inner part of the boat to sail. Tuck it in somewhere there and then fix the flag and its stand. Once it dries up, then the turtle sails in the boat on water up and down in this form. you liked the video. Thank you. Hello viewers, this is Auntie Shemi, Palace Kiddies Crafts. Thank you for watching our videos. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel for regular updates on stylish and creative kiddies craft ideas. You could also like us and share our videos. Thank you.